Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys aeroplane mode in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you turn on your aeroplane mode in your Realme phone. Friends, you want to on guys your aeroplane mode, so friends you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on aeroplane mode in a Realme phone. In this video I will show you. So friends, now let's see how to guys turn on our aeroplane mode in our Realme phone friends. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now time to start video. And first of all open your phone setting, and guys you can see this type setting guys. So guys you can see guys this connection and sharing option friends, tap here. As you can see guys your aeroplane mode setting as you want to on, so as you can on from here guys, you can see guys your in your phone screen icon guys, you can see this aeroplane mode. For your airplane mode as on, and guys you cannot call guys your friend, and guys they cannot call you. And guys you can guys use guys only your phone guys, you download games, download movies, and download song guys, you can use it. So I hope friends you understood how to turn on, and guys you want to off, so you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn on airplane mode in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.